Yes. Welcome, guys. This is another educational content on the channel Simplify Forex Classroom, where we simplify the complicated. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to simply trade with channel. That is a trend channel, guys. So that is it that we want to talk about in this video. So you know that when it comes to channel, we have two types of channel. We have the bullish channel, we have the bearish channel. And the picture you are seeing on the screen is probably the bullish channel. Why? Because price is all the way from here to the upside, guys. So I'm going to show you how to identify the channel in a trend and how to trade it. But before then, let's come to the pictorial representation of what happens. So let's say this is the movement of price, and you can see there's a trend line joining the low of price, guys. So probably when this thing happens in the market, what we are looking for to do is we are looking to take a trade based on the direction of the market. You can see this area here is the low that price created. This area is the first low. This area here is the second low, and this area here is the third low, guys. So in terms of trading, if something like this happens, what you need to do is you take a copy of the line below here. That is the trend line that is down here. You take this one and then you extend it to the top to find the channel that price is in, or where price is trying to go. That's something like this. And the price push all the way and then get to the top, and then you look for either reaction for a sell to the downside and then another sell from here to the upside. Sometimes this is how price move in an uptrend. It doesn't necessarily move the same like clean like this every time, but this is how to go by if price is pushing. That is in an uptrend channel. This is how you look, and this is area that you're going to look for the entry. That is the first touch, no, second touch, no, and the third touch is where you're going to look for entry, and also probably the fourth touch where your stop loss will be below and your TP will be targeting to the nearest high of the trend, guys. So this is a bullish, it's actually a bullish channel. So guys, this is a bullish channel that normally happens in the market. So the same way, if price moves to the downside, that you see price moving to the downside, that is how you're going to do for the downtrend. If price moves to the downside, you draw the uptrend trend line and then you copy that one to the downside like this, or maybe you just find you do it like this. Just make sure that it is actually corresponding to what price is doing, or you do it like this and then you see where price is getting to. Sometimes price will be moving in a channel, but it will be in a diagonal or maybe in a different shape, but you need to go with whatever price is doing. So you look for your entry. If price reacts to the top, you look for your entry above like this to the downside, and if it reacts also down, you look for your trade to the upside. So also in a downtrend channel, this is how to trade in a downtrend channel, guys. So now let's go to example like what we are seeing here on the screen, how to go by anytime something like this happens in the market. Now you see how price is moving. This is Australian dollar, that is AUD USD, and we can see the pair of AUD USD. It's in the daily time frame. This is the FXCM chart that I'm using, and you can see from here price reacted here. That is the first one, and there was also a ceiling here. That is the first one also. There was a second reaction here, and there was a push from here. So this entry was, a sniper entry from here when price reacted and it started pushing to the upside. That is where I took this trade. I don't recommend you taking trade on the second touch because it's risky, but this trade was actually a sniper one from the 5 minutes. That is why I took this trade. Now you can see how price is moving. Now we are at the top of the tip of the channel. That is where price is moving to. Now you can see there was a touch here and price didn't touch here. It's pushing. We want to see price come all the way to this area, and if you give us confirmation, we shoot again, guys. So we can see this is an uptrend channel. If you know how to trade uptrend channel, it is very simple and straightforward, guys. So your stop loss will be below here, and then your TP will be above the area that is the high that price is targeting. So this is an uptrend channel. So this is another example of a downward channel. You can see this happening on gold. That's gold USD, and it's a forex.com chart on the 4-hour time frame. And now you can see price is pushing to the downside. There was a reaction here, you can see, and push all the way to this area. Another reaction here, and price push. So this one, we copy the top trend line, that is this trend line at the top here, and then we paste it down below here. And as I was talking about, you can see if price touch on it, it's going to be a push, and also come to this area and then find a way to the downside, guys. So this is how to trade a channel trend. Simple, straightforward, guys. Follow the page and then comment if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in my next video.